How to look up and register for classes using Gator Scheduler. San Francisco State has a course scheduling tool called Gator Scheduler that will help you to build a course schedule and find class times based on your availability. To find Gator Scheduler, log into your online student center and select Gator Scheduler under the academic section in the top left of your homepage. This will open an instruction page. Select the Gator Scheduler link listed in Step 1. This should open a pop-up window with the San Francisco State logo. If this window does not open, you may need to allow pop-ups in your browser settings. From this window with the San Francisco State logo, when prompted, select the following options. For term, choose the correct semester. For academic career, choose undergraduate only. For session, select academic regular session. This will open your Gator Scheduler planning homepage. At the top, you will notice you have the option to choose course status. Be sure this is set at open classes only so that you can avoid adding closed courses to your schedule plan. There is also an option to choose instruction modes. We recommend you leave this at all instruction modes selected. If you prefer, you may change it to in-person to avoid online courses. Your Gator Scheduler home screen gives you an area on the left side to add your courses and an area on the right side to add breaks. Note, if you have your browser window set to a narrow view or are on a cell phone, you will see only one section at a time. You will need to expand your window wider to see all options on one homepage. We recommend you start with any scheduled breaks you need to consider. Breaks can be a useful way to block out times when you are not available to be in class. To add a break to your schedule, select the Add a Break button. Name your break. For example, work or commute time. Set the times for when you cannot be in class and want to block out, and select the days you need to add this block time to. Then save. For example, if you work at 4 Tuesdays and Thursdays, you may want to add a break from 3:30 to 11 Tuesdays and Thursdays titled Work. You will see your break added to the list with a checkbox on the left side. If this box is selected, your break will be planned into your schedule choices. If you want to take the break out, uncheck the box and generate your schedule options again to see schedules without the break added in. Be careful when using breaks, as the more you add, the more limited your class options may be. If you don't see enough or any schedule options, you may need to remove a break. To search for classes, select Add Course. There are two ways to search and add a course through Gator Scheduler: by subject and search by course attribute, or GE area. You will use search by subject to add courses that you already know the department and course number for. For this example, we will find English 114 using the by subject tab. For subject, select ENG from the list for English. For course, select 114 from the list. The full course title and course description appear below. Read through the course description and note any prerequisites listed to make sure you are eligible for the course. To choose the course for your schedule, select the Add Course button. The course will be added to your courses cart on the right side of the page. To look for a course to meet your GE requirements, use the Search by Course Attribute tab. Select the requirement area that you would like to fulfill from the attribute list. For this example, we will use a C1 Arts General Education course. You will see a list of all of the subjects that are offering open C1 Arts courses for the semester. Select a topic that you are interested in from the subject list. For example, if you are interested in theater arts courses, select Theater Arts for subject. In the courses list, you will see all of the courses in theater arts that are open and will fulfill the C1 Arts requirement. Select the course number and name that you are interested in and read through the prerequisites and course description below. Add the course to your course cart by selecting Add Course. When you have filled in all of your first choice courses for the semester into your cart, you should have 4 to 6 courses in your cart list. You are now ready to move on to select your class times for your schedule. Choose the Back button or the Gator Scheduler link to get back to the Gator Scheduler planning homepage. Your Gator Scheduler page should now show your list of courses under Course section. Next to the course title is a checkbox. Be sure this box is checked to have this course added into your schedule plan. If you need to select a specific section for one of your classes and want to add only this section to your schedule, use the gear button next to the course title. Note: Math Pathway 3 and 4 students may need to use this feature to select your math and paired support class sections. This generally will not be needed for other courses. You will see a list of all of the times when the course is offered with a checkbox next to each time. At the very top of the list under Enabled is a checkbox to select all of the course times. Uncheck this box. You should see all the checks are removed and it will say 0 next to Enabled. Look through the course times to find the course section you want and check the box next to that course time and section. The number next to Enabled should change to 1. Be sure this is the correct section and time that you need, and then select Save and Close. You will be returned back to your Gator Scheduler homepage. Again, note, This is only to use in special circumstances when you are required to select a specific course section. As you are viewing your course list in your homepage, if you need a reminder of the course description details, select the informational I button next to the course name to see the description. Be sure you have the breaks and courses selected that you want to add to your schedule plan. You are now ready for the magic of Gator Scheduler to happen. Select Generate Schedules at the bottom of your course list. Gator Scheduler will look through all of the possible schedule choices to add your open classes and breaks together without time conflicts. Below your course and break area on the homepage, or on the schedules link if you are in a narrow or cell phone view, a list of schedules will be shown. Some of you may have close to 1,000 schedule choices. Please don't look through all 1,000. You should be able to find a good schedule in the first few pages of choices. If you add or make a change to your breaks or course list, you will need to select Generate Schedules again to see an updated list. Once you have generated your list of schedule choices, view a calendar of each schedule by hovering over the magnifying glass. You will see each class represented by a different color in a weekly calendar view. Note that online-only courses will not show as a shaded area in the weekly view. Your breaks will also show in this view as the purple shaded areas. You can select up to 4 different schedules to compare side by side using the Compare button. To see the full page calendar view and course details with times for an individual schedule, select View next to the schedule you are interested in. You will also see the number of seats that remain open for each course and the total units your courses will add up to. To move through your schedule choices one by one in this view, use the arrows in the top right. Note if a course is online, it will not show in the calendar area. Instead, it will show in the course list on the top of the page. If you need to make changes to the courses or breaks in your list, you can select Back or the Gator Scheduler link at the top of your page to go back to the home page planning area. To remove a course or break from your list completely, use the X button on the right of the class name or break. To add a new course or break, use the Add Course or Add Break buttons. Remember to generate schedules again to update your schedule choices with your changes. We know it will be tempting to spend a lot of time selecting the perfect schedule. We advise that you do not get too set on one particular schedule, as course availability will change quickly once the registration period opens. Your seat in the course is not reserved yet while you are browsing through schedule options. It is a good idea to be prepared with backup choices and to be as flexible as possible when building your schedule in case your first choice time or course is full. When you've decided on the schedule plan you want to register, select View to see your schedule in the full page view. From the full page schedule view, confirm this is the correct schedule and then select Send to Shopping Cart to move your courses to the enrollment area of your student center. When prompted, select Continue to confirm. You may now close your Gator Scheduler window. To complete your registration, return to your online student center. Select the Enroll link in the top left academics area of your homepage. It may ask you to select a semester at this point. Be sure to select the correct semester. At the top middle of your enrollment screen, select the yellow button titled Import Cart to bring your course selections in from Gator Scheduler. The enrollment tool will show you each course one at a time. This is where you can double check you have selected the right course and that you meet the prerequisites for the course. Continue to click Next until you see a list of all of the courses in your shopping cart. Notice the symbol on the right side for each course under the column titled Status. This shows you if the course is still open. A green circle indicates the course is open. A yellow triangle indicates the course has filled and only has waitlist spots available. A blue square indicates the course has filled and is now closed. You will leave your first choice courses in your shopping cart ready to go for when your enrollment appointment starts. You have not officially registered in these courses yet. When your enrollment appointment time starts, you should return to your shopping cart to finish registering. If you are preparing your schedule before your enrollment appointment time and you have selected courses that are closed or waitlisted, we recommend that you remove these courses from your enrollment area using the trash can icon. Then go back to Gator Scheduler to search for and add new courses into your shopping cart. To adjust or add courses using Gator Scheduler, follow the same process to open Gator Scheduler from your student center. This time you will notice an area on your homepage that notes courses in your shopping cart or enrolled courses if you were able to enroll already. Remember that Gator Scheduler will generate schedule choices for everything that is checked off. Uncheck courses from your top course planning list if they are already in your lower shopping cart. Search for your new courses as needed, then generate schedules. The schedules shown will include the courses checked in your shopping cart and the new courses you added. When you select Send to Shopping Cart from the view of your final chosen schedule, it will send only the courses that are not already in your cart in your Student Center. Follow the same steps from your Student Center to select Enroll, and then select Import Cart to bring these new courses into your enrollment area. At the start of your enrollment appointment time, move quickly to complete your registration and confirm your course registration officially. You do not want to lose a seat in the courses that are open. Log back into your Student Center if needed and select Enroll. To confirm your seat in the course, you must select the Proceed to Step 2 of 3 button. The system may give you a pop-up message for your math and/or English placement notices. Select OK to these messages and continue through the prompts to the final Finish Enrolling button. You will see a summary list of your courses enrolled. If the course has a green check mark on the right side, congratulations. You are registered in the course and your seat is reserved. If you get a red X error message as you are enrolling, read the error message to determine how to resolve the issue. Class conflict. Remove the course you do not want using the trash can icon and proceed through the enrollment prompts. This is unlikely to happen with Gator Scheduler, unless you already had a course enrolled. Requisites not met. Check prerequisites again to make sure you are eligible for the course. Hold on your account. Click on Details in the Holds and Alerts box for instructions on how to get it lifted. Hopefully, after watching this video, you now have a good understanding of how to register for your classes and are able to use Gator Scheduler to set yourself up with a solid schedule for the next semester.